Xirco's report, episode 37. Let's talk about bonus packs offered from the bank. So this is going to be a two-part. One part is going to be up to level 20, and then as soon as my palace hits 21, sometime after that, I'll make another one, because I was talking to a fellow clanmate who recently reached 21, and she said the bonus packs offer more per item, such as the shaman Inga. You get 25 of her charms if you're level 20 and below, and at level 21 you get, instead of 25, you get 35 charms. Also, she said the amount of resources are quite a bit more. And that's here nor there in one regard, because you got to buy what's available if you're going to buy. But at least these are my opinions on these packs. And that is not to imply that someone else has a better view of any particular pack. So take all this with a grain of salt. And it also depends on what level you are and what you're needing. But I'm going to give you some criteria to use when scrolling through these. Alright, gift of gold, 249,000 pieces of gold. The silver is a joke. We all have way too much. So forget about the silver. You'd be buying it for the gold, but don't, because there's other packs that have similar amounts and offer other goodies. Here's a nice pack. I did the math before. I think this hero energy potion works out to be about 400 to 450,000 energy points. Depending on the strength of your shaman, you can kill anywhere from 2 to 5 shaman with that. I think I can now get 4 shaman with that. So, and 85,000 pieces of silver will buy you 2 huge coffers. And a huge coffer contains of time boost, and a huge coffer contains 2 weeks, 2.5 days worth of boost. So it's not bad. Gets you almost 5 weeks for the 85,000 pieces of gold. You just have to run the numbers. And how you figure these shaman and hero potion deals is look at your last battle report from attacking an invader or a ghost, and how much an individual attack cost you in energy points. Add that all up, what it took to kill that, and then add up these potions and divide by that number, and it'll tell you how many ghosts or invaders you can kill with this bonus pack. Now the benefit of this is 100,000 pieces of gold. So that, but you know, there's not very many. It's a pretty weak set. So you have 50,000, 70,000. It's 120. So I mean, it's pretty weak. I like these energy potions up here of this previous pack, which puts you up near 400,000, maybe a little bit more, and this is probably half that. So yeah, just because it's a bonus pack doesn't mean it's a good deal. Here's a good set. At first, it appears it's not bad. 55,000, so you get all of these, and then for the 55,000 pieces of gold, you get an additional huge coffer worth. So that's something to think about if you need a massive amount of boost. Keep in mind though, boosts are great, but unless you have the resources to use those boosts, you're only halfway there then. This is another really good boost set. All the red flagged ones are for your stronghold. The blue colored ones are for your city. Again, if you have tons of resources, this is a great set. Shaman, see, this to me is a waste, this packet here, because they throw a whole bunch of silver as filler for the pack bonuses. It's a joke. Let's see, it's 15,000 VIP points. It's kind of a, unless you're a low-level VIP, that's pretty much useless. Up around level 15, it's going to require 200,000 VIP points to get to the next one. So lower level, yeah, it's not bad. I would say level 15 or below, this is fine. Stronghold, 7 day, 2-3 days. That's good. This is going to really help the Stronghold out. It gives you 25 boost task refreshers plus 53,000 pieces of gold, which will get you the large coffer for yourself, or the huge coffer for yourself. And then the rest of these would be used for your Stronghold, I believe. Yep. Again. Alright, see, what's this one? 10-minute troop enlargement. It doesn't really... See, they throw in, they mix sets, and this is what I'm unimpressed with. They're advertising about Winla of Shadows, and they're giving you a Shaman offense, that's cool. And they're giving you marching speed of 12, that's always nice to have, but... And then charms, they're giving you 15 charms for Winla. But the potions are pretty weak. 5,000. I mean, your 1,000 unit potion bottles, you only get 5 of them. It's just really weak. There's nothing you're going to be able to do with that. And then you have all these enlargement things, and you only get 2 of those. Unrelated. You're not sending troops to fight Ghost. So I think this is a crap set. Now this looks good at first, until you start doing the math. Not too impressed. And this is where a lot of problem is I have with the resources. Often your resources they give you will be 180, well, say 150 million. Several levels ago, I got one that was 400 million resources. And that was fine for the lower levels, but everything's getting so expensive now. 400 million resources will get me 2 upgrades in the Oracle, and that's it. So that's $5 for 2 upgrades. And this is where I'm not buying any more packs for resources until I clear the Palace level 21 mark, and then I will get some better ones. Let's see. Alright, this is a little better. Now you have 1,000 unit potion bottle of 15 of those and 8 of the 2,000. So it's better. Now we can do a little bit. Figured this up yesterday. Based on I only can fight level 1 ghost at the moment. It cost me 300 energy points per hit. Takes me 4,500. And trying to remember how many I determined this pack would do. I think with all these boosts, I was going to be able to kill 19 ghosts. So, and my gold I pretty much use exclusively for huge coffers. Well, huge coffers and switching hero sets. And that's really about it. Here's a garbage set. Go on down to this next one. Really unimpressed with this. I mean, look at the numbers. 60 times 250,000. What, 150 million? Kind of whoop-de-freaking-do. And your task refreshers are only 20 of them a piece. Lame. I want to see 80 to 100, preferably 100. Here's the same thing, 66, so at least you get more gold in this one. So this set's okay if you're working on your lower level items, but that's only if the other, it's just not that much, just really 150, 60 million resources, not worth it. Now this one is nice at 265,000 pieces of gold, as that would get you 8 huge coffers. That's pretty freaking sweet, but it's 20 bucks, not gonna happen. Look at this, 95, 265, it's still 20 bucks. Pfft, lame. Stay away from this, not because of the amount of money, it's because of the amount of troops. Until you hit level 24, 25, 26, don't be buying packs with tier 6 troops in them. And I like how they leave these on from back in the day, just in case people wanted to purchase them. Stupid. 40,000 pieces of silver for $100. Right. $5. Let's see, where was it? Up here. These are all